Good morning, dear students. Welcome to the fourth session of the probability chapter for class 10th. You all know that a pack of cards or a deck of cards has 52 cards. These 52 cards are divided into two different colors. We have 26 red colored cards, if you can see, and we have 26 black colored cards. These 26 red colored cards are divided into 13 heart cards and 13 diamond cards. Also, similarly, we have the 26 black cards divided into 13 spade cards and 13 club cards. So, in all, we have 13 heart cards, 13 spade cards, 13 diamond cards, and 13 club cards. As you can see, these are the 52 cards of the pack of cards, wherein I have 13 cards of clubs, I have 13 cards of diamonds, 13 cards of heart, and 13 cards of spades. Now this is an ace, which is represented by A. So we have 4 aces, one each of clubs, of diamonds, of hearts, and of spades. Exactly same way, we have 4 twos, one of clubs, one of diamonds, one of hearts, and last one of spades. Exactly in the same way, we have 4 cards each of ace, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of clubs, diamonds, hearts, and spades. Now, these cards, see here, if you see, there's a jack, a J, a Q, that's a queen, and K, that's a king. That means the 4 jacks, the 4 queens, and the 4 kings. They are what? They are the face cards. So in a pack of 52 cards, we have how many? We have 12 face cards. I just repeat, we have 13 spade cards, we have 13 club cards, 13 diamonds, and 13 hearts. These 13 cards contain 1 king, 1 queen, 1 jack, 1 ace, and 9 cards from 2 to 10. Similarly, the 13 club cards comprise of 1 king, 1 queen, 1 jack, 1 ace, and 9 cards from 2 to 10. Same is the case with diamonds and same is the case with hearts. So in all we have 13 black spade cards, 13 black club cards, 13 red diamond cards, and 13 red heart cards. In all we have how many? We have 52 cards. Let us take up an example now. We are taking up example 4 from your NCERT book. One card is drawn from a well-shuffled deck of 52 cards. Calculate the probability that the card will be an ace. Now you all know how many aces are there. Now just see here how many aces are there. There are 4 aces, one of clubs, one of diamonds, one of heart, and one of spades. So therefore the probability of getting the ace is 4 out of 52 cards. So the probability is 4 by 52, which is equal to 1 by 13. Let us take up the second part. What is the probability that it is not an ace? When I am wanting to find out what is the probability of not an ace, I'll simply subtract it from 1. So the probability of getting an ace was 1 by 13. So the probability of not getting an ace will be 1 minus 1 by 13, which is going to be 12 by 13. Exercise 15.1 we are taking up. The 14th question. One card is drawn from a well-shuffled deck of 52 cards. Find the probability of getting a king of red color. Again, try to recall the king of red color. Just have a look. We have 4 kings in all out of 52 cards. Out of them, we have 2 black colored kings, 1 of spades, 1 of clubs, 1 of spades, and we have 2 red colored kings, 1 of diamonds, 1 of hearts. So the probability of getting a red king will be 2 out of 52. That means 1 by 26. See the second part, it is a face card. As I had told you, we have how many face cards? The probability of getting a face card, I had told you that out of the 52 cards, these 12 cards are the face cards. The 4 jacks, the 4 queens, and the 4 kings, they are the face cards. So the probability of getting a face card will be 12 by 52, which is equal to 3 by 13. The probability of getting a red face card. You all can see that these are the 12 face cards. Out of these, the red face cards are the Jack, Queen and King of Diamonds and Jack, Queen and King of Hearts. That means out of these 12 cards, we have 6 red face cards. So out of these 52 cards, we have only 6 red face cards. So the probability of getting a red face cards is 6 by 52, which is 3 by 26. The next part is a Jack of Hearts. How many Jack of Hearts are there in this pack of 52 cards? There is only one Jack of Heart. This is that Jack of Heart that is there out of the 52 cards. That means the probability of getting a Jack of Hearts is 1 by 52. A spade card. So out of these 52 cards, I have just these 13 spades cards. So the probability of getting a spade card will be 13 by 52, which is equal to 1 by 4. A queen of diamonds. There is only one queen of diamond out of these 52 cards. There is only one queen of diamonds. So the probability of getting a queen of diamonds is 1 out of 52. So we have done all these parts. You can check the answers. We are now doing the 15th question of exercise 15.1. 5 cards, the 10, Jack, Queen, King and Ace of Diamonds are well shuffled with their face downwards. One card is then picked up at random. What is the probability that that card is a queen? Now out of these 5 cards, we have just one queen. So the probability of getting a queen will be 1 by 5. If the queen is drawn and put aside, now that means we are left with only 4 cards. Out of these 4 cards, what is the probability of getting an ace? So out of these 4 cards, there is one ace. So the probability of getting an ace is 1 by 4. What is the probability of getting a queen? The probability of getting a queen is 0 by 4 because there is no queen left. We have already taken out that queen. So the probability of getting a queen is now 0. Let us quickly discuss these questions. A card is drawn from a well-shuffled deck of cards. Find the probability of drawing a spade card. There are 13 spade cards, so the probability of getting a spade card is 13 by 52, that is 1 by 4. A red card. There are 26 red cards out of the 52 cards, so the probability of getting a red card is 26 by 52, that is 1 by 2. A king. So we have 4 kings out of the 52 cards. That means the probability of getting a king is 4 by 52, that is 1 by 13. A black king. So there are 2 black kings. So the probability of getting a black king will be 2 by 52, that means 1 by 26. Neither a king nor a queen. That means it should not be a king and it should not be a queen. So how many kings are there? There are 4 kings and there are 4 queens. So out of the 52 cards, it should not be any one of those 8 cards, that is a king or a queen. So out of those 44 cards, we can take up any one. So the probability of getting a card which is neither a king nor a queen is 44 by 52, which is how much? 11 out of 13. A face card, we've done that. Not a face card. So 1 minus the probability of a face card. That means 1 minus 3 by 13. That means it is 10 by 13. A jack of clubs. That is again 1 by 13. A non-red card means a black card, which is 26 by 52. That is 1 by 2. A 6 or an 8. That means it can be a 6 also and it can be an 8 also. So the favorable outcomes are all 6s and all 8s. That means we have 8 favorable outcomes, 4 6s or 4 8s. So the probability is 8 by 52, which is that means 2 out of 13. A club card or a king. So when we are taking a club card, means we are taking all the 13 cards. Apart from those 13 cards, it can be a king also, means it can be a king of heart or a spade or a diamond. We are having 16 favorable outcomes. out of the 52 possible outcomes. So the probability will be 16 by 52, that is 4 by 13. A club card and a king. It is not and a king, but it is and a king. So that means they're asking for a club king. That means it is just 1 out of 52. A queen of red suit. A queen of red suit means it can be a queen of diamond or it can be a queen of hearts. So only 2 favorable outcomes out of 52. That means 1 by 26. A red face cards. As I had told you, there are 12 face cards. So that means 6 of them are going to be of red suit and 6 of them are going to be of a black suit, black color. That means we will be having, so 6 of them will be of the red color and 6 of them will be of a black color. So the probability of getting a red face card will be 6 by 52, which is 3 by 26. A red card which is not a face card. So I told you there are 26 red cards. Out of them 6 are the face cards. So not a red face card means we'll take up the 20 cards that are going to be left out of the 26 red cards. The probability will be 20 upon 52, which is equal to 5 by 13. Now, question number 2. The king and the queens are removed from the deck of cards. A card is drawn at random. Find the probability of drawing the following. Now, when from this pack of cards, the kings and the queens have been removed, that means we'll be left with 52 minus 4 kings minus 4 queens. That means we'll be left with 44 cards. Now, out of these 44 cards, they're asking how many spade cards are there. So again, we'll be having only 11 spade cards left because the king and the queen of spades has already been removed. So we'll be having now 11 spade cards. The probability of getting a spade card is 11 by 44, that is 1 by 4. A red card. Now again, the probability of getting a red card. How many red cards are there? Out of 44 cards, 22 red cards will be there and 22 black cards. So the probability of getting a red card now is 22 by 44, which is equal to 1 by 2. Third part, a king. The king has already been removed. Therefore, the probability of getting a king is 0. A face card. Now, the only face cards left in these 44 cards are the jacks. So, the probability of getting a face card is 4 by 44. That is 1 by 11. Not a face card. So, the probability of getting a face card is 1 by 11. So, the probability of getting not a face card will be 10 by 11. 1 minus 1 by 11, which is 10 by 11. A jack of clubs. How many jack of clubs are there? There is only one jack of clubs out of the 44 cards. So, the probability of getting a jack of clubs is 1 by 44. The seventh part, a non-red card. A non-red card means the black cards. So how many black cards are there? From the 44 cards I had told you, there are 22 red and 22 black cards. So a non-red card will be 22. The probability of a non-red card will be 22 by 44, which is 1 by 2. A 6 or an 8. A 6 or an 8 means, what does a 6 or an 8 means? It can be a 6 or it can be an 8. So there are 4 6s and 4 8s. So the probability comes out to be 8 by 44, which is equal to how much? 2 by 11. A queen of red suit. We all know that all the queens and the kings have been removed. So a queen of red suit is, the probability is 0. A red face card. Now how many face cards are there? We have only jacks. So there is one jack of spade, one of diamonds, one of hearts and one of clubs. So if we want to find out a red face card, so there are only 2 red face cards. That means a jack of heart and a jack of diamond. So the probability of getting a red face card will be 2 by 44, which is equal to 1 by 22. A red card which is not a face card. There are 22 red cards in all. Now these 22 red cards contain 2 jacks of heart and of diamonds. So that means we are having now only 20 red cards which are not a face card. That means the probability comes out to be 20 by 44, which is equal to 5 by 11. So I think children, you have understood the card experiment properly. If there's any doubt, you can watch the video again. Thank you so much.